Hi everyone, hi, it's Emem Archibong here, the singing pharmacist. This is part 2 of my video on things that you can do in your 20s to have a healthier and happier life as you get older. So we're going to start off with the sixth thing in the category, which is sleep. But before I go into the video, I'd like to ask you to please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends if you find its content useful. And I'd also like to take this opportunity to please encourage you to stream my music. The specific song for this video is called What Is Love, so feel free to listen to the song by streaming it or downloading it. And if you like the song, I'd like you to stream or download the song. But even if you don't necessarily like this particular song, I'd like you to please stream and download it to support my channel. It's a way that you can help in terms of supporting this channel, so please do if you can. If you don't want to, it's fine. Feel free to still get everything you can out of this video. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Too little sleep affects well-being, and too much sleep can increase likelihood of health issues such as heart disease. If you'd like to find out more about sleep hygiene and ways that you can help yourself sleep better, please check out my video on this topic. I'll put a link in the description box down below. Number 7 thing that you can do to increase your likelihood of being happy and healthy as you get older in your 20s is to limit screen time. So try and limit screen time to no more than 3 hours outside of work time, obviously. And also try and maybe some days or some weeks try and take a break from social media. That will make such a difference. You can actually use the extra time to work on your hobbies that can actually stimulate your mind, such as reading or writing or playing an instrument or any other hobby such as gardening. So number 8 category of things you can do for a better, happier and healthier life as you get older, things that you can incorporate in your 20s that will help you be better as you get older, is SPF. So try and use sunscreen. Using sunscreen not only protects your skin from photoaging, it also decreases the risk of getting skin cancer, which can actually occur in anyone regardless of the color of your skin. So skin cancer can happen in black people as well as people of other races. So it's important to use sunscreen. It's important to use good skincare. So if you'd like to find out more on this topic, please watch my video on sunscreen and also my video on the essentials for the basic essentials for a good skincare routine. I'll put both the links for both videos in the description box down below. So now we'll move on to the final category. Set goals. So you can actually break your goals down into smaller objectives that you can work on every single day. And a good thing to do with this is actually tick off the goal when you achieve it. That actually gives you a sense of just achievement when you've ticked off each objective that you've completed each day. And this is actually a good way to help you lead a more productive life. So there we have it. We've listed the things you can do in your 20s for a better, healthier, and happier life as you get older. So feel free to share this video with a friend if you find it useful. Remember, this list is not exhaustive, so please feel free to let me know in the comment section below if there's anything you think I've missed. And thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye. Bye.
It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love never fails. Love is patient. Kind, courteous. Love boastful. It rejoices without truth. That is love. slow.